Hey, Wayne here with the Varla Eagle 1 version 2. This is an upgraded model from their previous one. Let's get it unboxed and put together. Okay, here's what's included in the accessory box. You get a toolkit, a 13 to 15 millimeter wrench, some screws to mount the handlebar to the stem, a bell, the display, 2 NFC cards, the front headlight, and the user manual. In addition, you wind up getting the battery charger and 3 stickers for the deck. So that makes 4 in total. And they threw in some elbow and knee pads. Okay, now that the scooter's been taken out of the box, there's not a whole lot of assembly, but I'm going to bring the camera over and show you how to put the rest of it together. Okay, if your stem is latched, you're going to want to unlatch it and then bring it up. Turn this knob here and put the pin in. Next, you're going to remove this piece right here. Then place the handlebar back in and place this little cap back on and get it going. Now, before getting this too tight, you're going to want to maneuver this in a little bit more. But you're going to have to remove this piece here, this nut and bolt here, and place the cables inside. Okay, this is a good time to install the light before you lock it all down. Then you're going to take these cables, they match up red to red. So this will be for the light. Now you're going to want to make your adjustments and tighten everything down. These last 2 connections are for the display. We'll remove these 2 screws from here and then fit it on the handlebar and tighten it back up. Before you tighten it too much, make sure you place this about where you think you want it. You can always readjust later and then tighten it up. Important tip, when you're tightening this, it's just plastic, so do not over tighten these points right here or you'll break it. Okay, you have 2 more connections. One here, it's green, going to be green to green. Make sure to line those pins up properly. And you got this black to black. Okay, make sure to get your light in place. I wouldn't place it too high up, angled up, because when it's like this, you can blind people in cars. So you want them to see you, but you want to really have it kind of hit the ground a bit. So I'm going to put it about right there. I can always readjust later. Okay, we have to install the bell, which is really simple. You're just going to remove this screw from the bottom. Place the bell around the handlebar and replace the screw. And again, just be careful that you don't over tighten because this is plastic. And if you go too tight, you'll break it and have to get another one. So once you have this in, everything should be just fine and you should be ready to go. Okay, now that you have everything installed, go back over and make sure that the tires are properly inflated. The scooter has a full charge. Levers are where you want them. Everything's nice and straight and tied down. Tighten up everything, make sure everything's good and tight, and then go grab yourself one, get out there and ride, and I'll see you on the next one.